Welcome back to my channel. Which art kit should I open up first? Which one should I open? You'll see in a second. So what's up, craft artists? Hope you're having a great day. So you see there's how many kits here? Art kits that I bought from Five Below. Five Below. So which one I'm going to open up today? I'm not sure yet. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. And I'm excited. So I'm going to open up, ta-da, Frozen 2 drawing kit. That's what I'm going to open up first. Welcome back to my channel, my amazing craft artist. This is another Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland video. I'm so excited. This is my last week doing Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. This is the last week of January. The 31st is on Sunday, and I cannot wait to get done with all these winter videos and move on to my Dee Dee's 14 Days of Hearts video for February. It's going to be so much fun. So the video is going to be so excited. So I hope you guys are ready for this video. Ta-da! We're going to be unboxing Frozen 2 art kit. I love art kits. So let's unbox this bad boy, see what we got in here, see all the supplies, and hope you guys are excited for this. I had so much fun doing this. Thank you so much for everything. So let's do it. Let's start unboxing. So as I said in my other videos, I did a haul video on these beautiful drawing kits. I bought 7 of them, so to try out and do some cool artwork. Some have sketchbooks, some have color pencils, some have markers. So I'm so excited to do this one, you guys. If you don't know who I am, what? You don't know who I am by now? What is wrong with y'all? Craft artists? What? My name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life as a craft artist, and I hope you're excited to do this video because I know I am. I love Frozen. I love Disney. So let's open up this box. So let's open up and see what they got in here, see what it contains, and I hope you guys are excited because I'm going to show you the box up close and personal. Just Disney, Frozen 2, a lot of merch from Frozen was out. This is old. I don't think they even have this out anymore. Sorry about that, you guys. But if you're into drawing, you probably will love this, but sorry. This drawing kit includes Anna, Elsa, Olaf, and Swin. And look how cute they look. I love how they look. I wish I could draw this. I want to draw this so bad, these 2 characters, just for fun, and then draw Olaf too. Because the first one I want to draw is Olaf first. It says includes 32-page project book and 5 markers. Let's read the back like I did earlier. So the thing on the back says Frozen 2, take an epic artistic journey to Arendelle and beyond with Anna, Elsa, Olaf, Swin from Disney's Frozen 2. Step-by-step drawing tips and techniques will help you discover the magic of drawing with a little help from your favorite characters. Oh, I love it. So let's open it up. Those 5 books. It's for ages, I think it's ages 8 and up, it says. What? No, 6 and up for $5. So I'm going to open this up and we're going to have fun looking at it. See, it's kind of light. Like $5 for this box. Come on now. So I got it open. It was kind of easy to get it open, but as I took the tape off earlier, so let's open up and see. Let's look at that. That's all is in there. Oh my Lord. Is this worth $5? I hope it is. So we're going to take it out of the box. Hope I can take it out without breaking anything. There we go. I'm going to do it that way. It'll be easier. Is that everything? That's everything, you guys. Let's put the box right there for a second. And then I'm going to turn this stuff over. And I'll show you what I got in there. Things first, I'm going to show you the markers. There's a black, purple, blue, yellow, and I think that's like a flesh color for skin tone. I know it's like a peachy color. So these are the cheap markers that you get. That's good, I guess. And then this is the little book they give us. It's called Learn to Draw Disney Frozen 2, and this is what it looks like, the cover. And then on the back, there's the cover. The back cover. That looks cool. And let's open it up and show you a little bit of the pages, if we can. So the first page just shows you how to draw Olaf. Oh, good. It says tools and materials which you need. Drawing pencils and the markers. Fine line markers, it says. How to use this book. When using this step-by-step drawing method, you will begin by drawing very basic shapes, such as lines and circles. So right there, step 1, step 2, step 3. I love this because I love step-by-step books. And at the bottom, this says add color, add color, and drawing with color, pencils, markers, points, or crayons. Oh, cute. You can use crayons on the drawing too, so especially good for kids. So then the next one we're going to draw is Elsa. And look how she draws with the circles and the line of action. If you're an artist, you know what I'm talking about. Line of action is really cool. That's page 5. Next page is, oh, it's still her. It's still Elsa. So let's do that. It's still Elsa. Yep, it's still her. And then we're gonna go to page, oh, it's still Elsa. That's what she looks like. And then this is like a simple art book. I love this so far. And that's what she looks like in her outfit. I love it. The colors are really beautiful. They pop out. So let's move on to the next characters in the book. It is, if I can turn the page right. It's, okay, Anna. And I like her too, the sister. This shows you how to draw her as well. Step by step. And one day I'll do one of these drawings each week until I get done for Sketch Artist Fridays. I can't wait to go back and do that again. I'm going to have so much fun doing Sketch Artist Fridays. And this is what she looks like. It's just all colored in and all done. So let's move on to the next one. I think Olaf's next. Yay, Olaf! I love Olaf. Look at him. Let's see that. Yeah, Olaf. This is going to be fun to draw. I think I'm going to draw Olaf first. This is my favorite character in this movie, in this series. I love it. I love Frozen 1 and 2. I think they're both pretty good, but one's a little bit better than 2, but I still like both. I don't like the ending of number 2, but if you haven't seen number 2 yet, go ahead and watch that. Buy the DVD, do Blu-ray, download it, whatever you got to do. It's a good movie. I love it for kids and all ages, and I'm a big kid, and I love it so much. So that's what I got so far. My Olaf. Oh, look at that. I can't wait to draw this on one of my Sketch Artist Fridays videos. It's going to be so much fun. So let's see. There's Olaf all done. I like that. And then last is the Swin. I love it. Kristoff's best friend. That's cool how I drew that. And that's how it looks at the end. And this is a really good book. I love this. I guess it's worth $5. Yeah, it is. To learn how to draw. And that's the end. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun showing you this unboxing. I'm doing another unboxing again today on my channel, so I can put all this stuff away and get ready for another video. Thank you so much, you guys. Have a great, wonderful day in Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. And please start drawing and sketching and doing all the fun things you like doing. Never give up. I had so much fun doing this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Let's get this channel past 200 subscribers this year, please. Hopefully we can do that. Thank you so much, and keep crafting no matter what. Because Anna and Elsa and Olaf said so.